Well, today I got the right side suspension on. Got new ball joint. Had to get new trunnions since one of its previous owners must not have torqued up the bolt tight enough and the hole was all hogged out. And before you ask, yes, I filled it with gear oil for all you purists out there. Everything's torqued to spec. And tomorrow I'll put the left side on. And my brother, if you remember in a previous video, is replacing his panel, and he's got it replaced. Can't hardly even tell that he took the old one out and welded a new one in. Beautiful job. So that's it.